Hey guys, welcome back to Not So Cool, and today we're going to be talking about the three different types of thermal energy: conduction, convection, and radiation. The first type of energy I'm going to talk about is conduction. Conduction is the transfer of energy through any solid matter. A prime example of conduction is a candle, well, specifically a candle touching something. So, for this example, we're going to use a candle with a plastic straw. So you just light the candle, and then when you put the straw in it, you can see that the straw melts. From conduction. The next type of energy transfer I want to talk about is convection. Convection is the transfer of heat between two bodies by a current of moving gas or fluid. An example of convection is a kettle. So when you turn the kettle on, since this is a clear kettle, you should see the water rising. Alright, so you can see the particles, the water rising from the heat of the kettle from convection. Now you can very clearly see the water rising. So the last type of heat transfer I want to talk about in today's video is radiation. Radiation is the transfer of heat through electromagnetic waves. A good example of radiation is a microwave. So, as you can see, I have a plate with 2 ice cubes on it, clearly not melted anywhere. I'm gonna put it in the microwave. No heat is directly touching the ice cubes. When I start it, I'll let the microwave go for 30 seconds. And you can see the smoke coming from it. You can see how much more melted the ice cubes have become than how they were when I started. And that's radiation for you. And for my last example of the video, I'm going to show conduction, convection, radiation all working together. So right here, we have a boiling pot of water. You can see the inside, the water is rising from convection. The pot is heated from conduction of the fire touching it. And if I put my hand close to it, I can feel the heat from radiation. So that's all 3 different types of energy working together to boil some water. Alright, now I'm going to talk about insulators and conductors. An insulator is any material that stops heat from easily transferring through, while a conductor is any material that easily allows heat to transfer through. Some examples of good insulators are glass, fiberglass, rubber, water, and an interesting one, an igloo. While some examples of conductors are copper, steel, aluminum, graphite, and another interesting one, the human body. And now, let's recap. First, we talked about how conduction is a transfer of heat through any solid matter. So, it's basically just heat transferring through any direct contact. Then, we talked about how convection is a transfer of heat between two bodies by current of moving gas or fluid. So basically, heat rising and sinking. After that, we talked about how radiation is a transfer of heat through electromagnetic waves. So heating from a distance. Thank you guys for watching today's video. If you want to watch more content like this, don't forget to like and subscribe, and make sure to turn on that notification bell so you will never miss out on one of my new videos. I hope you enjoyed again, and peace out. Stay smart.